In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new group in Notion. If you're organizing a team or just want a simpler way to manage permissions, groups make it easy to share pages with multiple people at once and keep access consistent across your workspace. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Head to the official site and log in if you're not already. You'll land in your workspace home. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure the correct one is selected from the workspace switcher in the left sidebar, so you create the group where you actually intend to use it. Next, open your page. Any page in the workspace will do. This just ensures you're in the right context. Remember, groups are a workspace-level feature, not limited to a single page, so once you create a group, you'll be able to use it across your pages when setting permissions and sharing. Now, click Settings. In Notion, this is labeled Settings and Members, and you'll find it in the left sidebar, usually under your workspace name. Clicking it opens a panel with everything related to your workspace, from billing to members. If you don't see this option, you may not have admin or manager permissions for the workspace, or your plan may not include groups. In that case, check with your workspace admin or confirm your plan supports groups. From here, click Groups. This tab lists any existing groups and gives you the option to add a new one. Choose the button to create a new group. You'll be prompted to give your group a clear name, something like Design Team, Writers, or Project Alpha, so everyone knows what it's for. You can add a short description to clarify its purpose and then start adding members from your workspace. It's a good idea to double-check who you include, since everyone in the group will inherit the same permissions when you share pages with that group. After you create the group, it will appear in your groups list and you can edit it anytime to add or remove members. When you share a page, you'll now see your new group as an option, which saves you from adding people one by one. This is especially helpful for onboarding new teammates. Just add them to the group and they'll instantly get access to everything shared with it. That's it. Open Notion, open your page, click Settings, then Groups, and add your new group. If Groups doesn't show up, ensure you're in the right workspace, have the correct permissions, and are on a plan that supports it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more consistent way to manage access in Notion.